Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of Calla Lily flower and Grow a Garden new Slope update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Calla Lily from the Skyroot chest, and then I have already planted this flower on my garden, and this is how the flower looks like. Yeah, it's quite big. So if you want to plant this flower on your garden, you need to have big space. Okay, and let's test the base value of this flower. I'm going to collect this flower. Okay, and you can only get one flower from one plant. Okay, but you can harvest it multiple times. Okay, I'm going to go to the sell menu, and then I'm going to check the base value. Wait, let me search for Calla Lily. Wait guys. Alright, and I'm going to check whether it's worth or not, how much this is worth. And wow, yeah, it's really worth. And of course it can have higher value after the mutation, but yeah, we can only get one flower from one plant. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.